Hello, it's Angus here at the Bureau of Meteorology with your weekend weather video. Today is Friday the 21st of July. Much of the country will have fine weather this weekend, but as things come to a close, look out for rain, wind and some cool temperatures to eastern areas. We will get more into that later, but first a look at the overall pattern across Australia, which is a familiar one of late, with high pressure being the major player. There is this front down here in the southeast, and that will bring a line of showers and some cool gusty winds through Adelaide, particularly from about lunchtime onwards on Saturday. By the end of the day, a bit of rain into western Victoria and western Tasmania, but outside of that, it is a broadly fine day. Lots of clear sunny weather across Australia. Do take note of the southeasterly flow across this part of the country. That wind, combined with ongoing dry weather, will start to raise the fire danger through Northern Territory as well as northern parts of WA. Those elevated fire risks will continue into Sunday, and on Sunday we will see this front continue to move eastwards, really weakening away quickly as it does so on Sunday morning. High pressure then spreads out and takes almost complete control of the country. A couple of spotty showers down in the southeast at first, then it becomes fine down here, fine through this whole area here. Central and Western Australia has a nice sunny Sunday. But as the weekend comes to a close, start to notice this enhanced shower activity along eastern places, including the coast of New South Wales and southern Queensland. Let's dive in a little bit closer and see what is going on there. I'm going to bring on a temperature map here, but this is not the temperature at the surface. This is the temperature above the surface, and in fact about 5 kilometres above ground level. The blues and the whites are the cool conditions at that altitude, and in particular note the axis of colder weather here associated with that cold front. Now let's play through from Saturday through until Monday, and I want you to watch how this cool air down in the south evolves over the course of that couple of days. On Sunday we see the start to break off here over New South Wales, almost detaching completely from the cooler conditions further south, and that trend just continues into Monday. We get what we call a cold pool, which is a region of chilly air higher up in the atmosphere moving up the eastern states, and it's really firmly set in across southern Queensland on Monday. So how does that affect the surface weather? Well, cold pools tend to enhance showers at the surface. That will start in New South Wales on Sunday with showers towards the coast that could affect the Women's World Cup game in Sydney. Then into next week, into Monday is really when we see these showers get more extensive and possibly come through a little heavier as well across southern and southeastern Queensland. Wet start to next week down in this part of the country. Also note the winds whistling through from the southeast. It's going to be a blustery day as well, and we could have some dangerous conditions along the coastline with large waves and choppy seas. Finally, with those cooler temperatures higher up in the atmosphere, it does also mean a cool day down at ground level. Here's the temperatures across Queensland for Monday. Just 15 to 17 degrees for many. That's 6 to 8 degrees below average. And in fact, large parts of Australia looking to be fairly similar for temperatures, with mid-teens all throughout this entire region. It does stay a bit warmer in the far north with temperatures upper 20s or low 30s, but the overnight minimum temperatures next week are going to get chilly up north as well. In particular, Darwin could be in for a nasty shock on Tuesday. The forecast minimum temperature there is 15 degrees, which would make that the coldest day of the year so far. If you want weather updates throughout the weekend, you can get them at bom.gov.au, and make sure you have got the BOM weather app downloaded to your phone. We'll catch you next time.